Meow-Hero, guardian of naps, awoke to horror. The mighty red dot, gone. A sinister plot was afoot. Tiny tracks led our hero, stealthy as a shadow, to the fridge's dark abyss. Professor Pipsqueak's lair. There he was, Professor Pipsqueak, weaponizing the dot. But Meow-Hero, ever vigilant, was distracted by the red light. A quick paw swipe, a triumphant purr. The laser was safe. Pipsqueak vanished, defeated by superior cat reflexes. Mission accomplished, Meow-Hero sought a well-deserved nap. But wait, a new challenge. Stay tuned, subscribe.